Between 2011 January and 2015 April, when Rick joined the team, it was just me and Sergio. At the beginning, we started in our basement and we were doing every single operation. We were doing the cutting, the edging, the assembly, the sanding. There's so much sanding. Like I had no fingerprints. That would have been a good time to rob a bank. And the delivery, the installation. So we did everything ourselves. And when we started growing the team, I started focusing more on client facing and on sales and on material purchasing and on scheduling. And I kind of stepped away. But once in a while, I get thrown into it just so I don't forget my roots.
So today we're prepping to load up everything that has been built for 2 jobs in Austin. So we're gonna have to rush a little bit. It's kind of late in the day and we didn't start yet. Like I'm prepping the trailer now, and hopefully by the end of the day, very late in the day, we'll be done with loading. Yeah, we're gonna have, so it's on 2 addresses. We have on one master vanity and walk-in closet, and the other one it's a full house. I have like laundry room, kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, a lot. You will see in the footage that we're gonna take up the trailer. It's gonna be a full 53-foot trailer with 2 jobs only.
Are you going to be on the install in Austin?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So,
Looking forward to it. I'm so looking forward to being on an installation site. I can't even lie about that.
Because right now from corner to corner, how much do you have? 55. And how long is your panel? You have another under panel, right? On the right hand side.
Easy to maintain, and it's good against heat. So you can theoretically take stuff out of your oven, off your cooktop, and put it directly on the countertop without damaging it, whereas regular quartz you can't do that.
How about availability in like patterns and colors?
They have expanded their
thousands of colors.
Yeah.
Me and Nadia met a while back. I'm not gonna say how many years because that makes everybody look too old. By everybody, I mean everybody but me. We've worked on quite a few large-scale projects, and now she's also helping me with some of our Texas projects, with planning, with sourcing. Like I just love having good vibes. We understand each other very well and each other's expectations, and I think that's why we function so well together. That's a very honest to God question, because that's what I'm trying to explain to a lot of clients when they're trying to reduce scope and they're reducing in the wrong places. Because I think that they should never like reduce scope when it comes to the actual contractor work.
Correct.
They should take down all the drywall, do all the wiring properly. Like if you reduce something, you should reduce on aesthetics, something that you can add after, like furniture or cabinetry.
100%.
We became good friends. We work well together. We understand the pressure of the industry, and we do our best to cope with it. And most importantly, we vent to each other about it. She even called me like about an hour ago to vent about how unrealistic expectations are and how we're left picking up pieces from clients that don't understand timelines, cost, and how everything is tied together.
Make your home the way you want it to. Make your house your home and enjoy it. Things that are behind the wall, you didn't do once.
Exactly.
Do it once. Everything else later on, you can do it 5 years down the road.
Exactly.
Paint is easy to change. Moldings are easy to change. Tiles, same thing. Like,
Yeah.
these are things that you can easily change and not have to worry about as you go along.
Like Chris, basically, as a contractor, he has a lot of pressure, and a lot of his work is not really something that's visible, and it's not really something that you understand or you can justify the cost of, because a lot of the work that he does in terms of plumbing, electrical, insulation, drywall, it's something that's behind walls, it's hidden, but it's the bones of each home, right? So a lot of times we advise clients to invest without basically too much thought into that part of the project, into anything that it's fixed and it stays with the house.
That's the worst one.
True.
Why is it taking so long?
Yeah.
Are you done yet? Are you gonna be done soon?
Got it.
These cabinets are vicious. So we've noticed along the years that it's much better when you're delivering to strap the cabinets to the van or the cube or the trailer facing the wall. But if you're just putting, because you have the back of the cabinet, which holds the back straight, if you're putting it facing outwards and you put the strap in front of the cabinet, it's going to close in because there's nothing holding actually the front of the cabinet. Perfectly rectangular. So because we're facing the wall, we don't want the pressed wood to touch actually the aluminum siding, because chafing is going to happen and it's going to scratch the edge. So it's going to damage actually the pressed wood. So we put foam, and cabinets are going to be super tight attached with straps to the wall with the foam in between the cabinet and the wall.
How many feet is this trailer from back to front?
53 foot of cabinetry.
It's all going to be full.
All full. And ideally loaded today.
Hug you every day. You put the date on every document. Fabulous. It works.
I really don't know what to say.
هر کابینت داستانی است از عشق، هنر و ظرافت.
Always getting nervous, but okay. You tell me.
I'm ready.
Every detail, it's important. Oh, I say it in English.
Cada cocina a tu gusto.
Omelette du fromage. Pulido. walang shortcut sa kalidad. Tapos ilalagay ko siya dito, guys.
Cool is important, but building cabinets is important too. Detalhe le contest.
Soul Solutions. We don't ramp. We just have fun and we get the job done. Number one, Soul Solution.
Cada detalle es importante.
Uite așa ne dăm iar la treabă.
Atenție la detalii, muncă în echipă și zile pline.
توانا بود هر که دانا بود ز دانش دل پیر برنا بود.
Los muebles en Soul Solutions están hechos con orgullo. El detalle lo es todo. Porque cada mueble cuenta una historia. En Soul Solutions trabajamos con el corazón.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Afam bụ George Chukwu Chikodi, udo dịrị unu ebe a na-arụ ọrụ wụ na Soul Solution. Ihe aka ọrụ anyị wụ apata enyi makwa ihe ndị ọcha na-akpọ kabinet. Ụbọchị keta anyị emechigo ọrụ lee ihe anyị rụpụtara keta, mana ofu ụbọchị ọrụ na-aga ọfụma, ile anya mgbe ọzọ bifo ị na-ama ihe na-emenụ ya wụrụ na oge agaala ya dịka onwe ihe a rụrụ, mana ịchịkọtacha ihe nọ ọnụ ọrụ anyị ọ na-apụta ọfụma, ọ na-apụtara anyị ọfụma. Ndị a na-arụkwa n'ọrụ na-enwe obi aṅụrị na-achọkwenye anya ọrụ mgbe ọzọ. Ọhịa sị ka nkọwatụrụ unu nke taa. Udo dịrị unu.